Here's how to fix a blurry iPhone camera. Now, if you open up the camera, let's swipe down and open up the camera here. If you find that it's super blurry or it's not focusing well on something, I'm going to walk you through some steps. The first thing you can do while on the camera app itself is to take a wipe or a kind of cloth here. Let's hop out of here so I don't disorient you. Basically, all you're going to do is wipe the cameras in the back. So you can see mine has 3 cameras in the back, but your phone also has a camera in the front at the very top notch. This sounds simple, but a lot of times it's just dirt or muck. So you might want to take the screen off, the screen protector off, take the case off, and just wipe down everything. Again, the screen protector, if it's scratched, could cause issues with that little camera at the very top. So take everything off and clean everything up. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing we'll do is get into your settings here. And from your settings, let's just scroll down and choose the camera option. Tap on that. Now from here, all we need to do is scroll down and you can see here, if you're taking a video, it might be set to a really low resolution. And especially if you're zooming in, this can make it super blurry or grainy. So you want to choose a higher resolution on that. And then also for formats here, you want to choose the photo mode to be the highest one possible. Again, if you're zooming in a bunch, that could cause issues. Now, on here, you can also turn on Pro RAW if that's an option for you. And you can see here, you can get up to 48 megapixels in a single photo. So just turn this on and you should see that your photos are super crisp and clear. If they still aren't, another common thing is if you scroll, let's go back to the camera settings. If you go to the very bottom, 2 potential culprits are lens correction and macro control. So turn off lens correction and turn off macro control, and then try again to see if that fixes it. If it doesn't fix it, let's go back into your camera here. So I'm going to swipe down and open the camera. Now, one thing that you can do is you can take your finger and tap on exactly what you want it to focus on. So you can see it's currently focused on my desk, but I can tap on, say, the rug here, and it will automatically default to focusing on the rug. Now, if I wanted to change that focus, I need to tap somewhere else, like the remote here. And you can see automatically it will go over and focus directly on that remote instead. Now, keep in mind, if I get really close up to it, no matter what I do, it will not focus on it because there are some limitations to your iPhone camera. If you get really close, it will have kind of worse, basically, look to it and it will start to get blurry if you're really close or really far from something and zooming in. Now, if any of those don't help, let's go back into your settings. And within the settings, we're going to go back to the very beginning here. From the beginning, we're going to tap on General and then Software Update. There are 2 things that I would recommend everyone doing whenever there's an issue with their phone. One is a software update. A lot of bugs are fixed just by updating your software. And the second thing is, let's go back out of here and hit the shutdown button. Again, a lot of times just restarting your phone refreshes everything, reboots the iOS operating system, and a lot of times fixes bugs or glitches. If you go through all of those steps, but the camera is still blurry, you might need to take it into an Apple store, have them plug it in, run some diagnostics, and see if there's a physical hardware issue with that camera itself.